kind of setup, so 90 degrees, 60, and we'll shift the viewpoints to shift the rotation. Because right now, the cube in this kind of setup, it's converging to these VPs, which means that any cube you put in the setup would be essentially rotated the same number of degrees. But if this setup of VPs were shifted here, we would have a cube that's rotating this way. And if we shift it here, we'll have one that's rotating that way. So now what we'll do is we'll shift the VP setup over without changing the station point. And this is how it's done. Actually, I can just put a piece of tracing paper over this, and then we'll preserve paper that way. So. Here is that slice of paper. Does anyone have questions, by the way? I feel like
I'm still like not understanding this red line. So
okay.
tells you the location, or
it shows you how much this line converges from a straight view to a given rate. Like the MP is this setup here shifted over to here.
the MP, the measuring
The
point.
measuring point, yeah. So this just, think of the measuring point as a ruler in perspective. So if you have a straight view like this, a true view of a cube that's like right in front of you,
Yeah, I do.
but if it's rotated this way to these VPs, then it's going to rotate, then it's going to only show you a little bit of the side.
Mhm.
And since this gives us this rotation, flipping this VP to here and this VP to here will give us the same rotation. So we can just figure out the length of these sides. So that's what it does. So I'm sorry, I didn't draw it through, but it goes this way and this way. That's what it does. Gives us these points, which we can later just extrapolate, move up to here since it's a cube.